Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I usually do anything Disney, but today my husband is surprising us with the Van Gogh experience. So exciting! Yeah, I don't know much about it. I saw the tickets.
What's Van Gogh?
I saw the tickets and I was like, because we're gonna go do Disney stuff soon, so I decided not to. And then he's like, mark your calendar.
I get paid early now.
So yeah, I'm so excited. I hope you enjoy it. We're in. We got drinks. You can take them in, and then they give you a cushion. We just came out of there. We were there for what, an hour and a half?
Yeah.
B said it was cool, but what'd you say?
It was cool.
It was cool. How much was it?
That was cool.
Just to see, not worth it then? I thought it was gonna be more.
If my ticket price went towards like 5, I'd be happier.
Yeah, I don't know. I thought it was gonna be more.
How much do you think it was?
The advertising made it seem like it was gonna be more. If that makes any sense. Like, there's no.
I mean, for what it is, it's really cool. For a lot of people that don't care about like going to art galleries and walking through and like
that's me.
Not understanding it, it's cool to have like an ambiance while you're like seeing it. You see the progressions of all the art. Like,
yeah, I agree. I don't like
cool.
museums. I don't like art that much, and I enjoyed this. I think I wouldn't pay more than maybe $40 for it. not it at all. I'll probably pay not more than that. It was okay. They do have a show running every, you think 30 minutes?
Like
20 minutes maybe?
Well, maybe because it's 7:30.
So we saw like, we walked in half in and then we started watching the new one. There's no place for pictures really, so it's not like a picture place at all. They do sell wine and like canned alcohol, So that's neat. It's like $11 like Disney prices. We're crossing the street. Overall, would you recommend it?
It's something to do. It's cool. Like I would think it's cool, like a once in a lifetime experience. If there's someone you really like and they have it, I would highly recommend it. Like I don't know enough about Gogh to like be all in. Now that there's like an artist in particular, I'm like I want to go see it like crazy.
Do you go Rivera?
Yeah.
We did go.
Whoever did that one painting that I really liked in Chicago, I would see how.
Was it Picasso, the sad one with the guitar? Oh, that one makes me cry. I liked it. Like I said, I wouldn't pay too much for it though. It's just a show. There's not like immersive. It says it's immersive. I don't know that I would call it immersive.
I would call it immersive. That's literally the whole experience.
You're sitting and it's moving and there's music. It's nice. But I don't know.
Like
no, I was thinking it was gonna be like the art center in LA where we got to play with stuff. That's what I call immersive. Like when you get to like touch stuff.
Interactive.
Oh, I guess that's true.
This is immersive.
All right. Souvenirs range between like $9 and $15. You know?
That's
Yeah.
what they were. Oh, we got?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
They
there
were
was
awesome.
more souvenirs. Yeah, there was like backpacks. There was puzzles for like
You think you're walking out with a
$40.
signed piece of art.
Yeah. Brendan did have to pay extra for the cushions. I found out. He still hasn't told me how much.
No.
Is it $5 or more? I would have paid more than $5 for those cushions.
I love you. That's all.
Oh my gosh. So overall, fun. If you're like an art person and you love Van Gogh, come.
If you're not, I mean,
it's nice.
If you're in Scottsdale too, there's a lot to do in Scottsdale.
Yeah, we had a
Like,
fun
we're gonna
time.
go to Lolo, so like that's a win.
We had a fun time, but overall, if it's more than 60, 50, don't do it unless you absolutely have to. That's just my opinion. If you came and you liked it, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time,
That's Vidania.
adios.